Alright, I'm gonna do a van tour because it's been like 4 months since we've had this van and I haven't really even shown it at all. So basically, this is our entire house. But we have a lot of plants, and Trey and I really wanted it to like just be light and airy, so we really went with like the white and the light wood. Over here is where we like store kind of all of our like hanging like fruit and vegetables and stuff. It's kind of just like nice storage for all of that. And then I have all our water bottles here, our cooler with all of our food, our batteries. We keep our dirty laundry here behind the seat. We have these little stools that we can use as chairs inside or outside. This is our biggest cabinet. Kind of stores everything. We have, I guess this is like kind of our bathroom. We have our bathroom down here, some electronic stuff and games, books, all of our like toiletries. There's a mirror on the back side of this, so you can sit here and get ready. Over here is where we kind of have our kitchen, so we have all of our bowls and plates, all of that stuff, silverware, cleaning supplies. Shout out to the Supreme Spitfire wheels, kind of sick. And then once you come into here, sitting on our bed, so we sit here a lot because it's really the only seat. But we have our water system down here, so we have a gray water and a freshwater jug, and this is just like an electric pump, so you can do some water. We wish the sink was bigger, but it is what it is. Keep our trash can and like some cleaning supplies down there. These are just like reflector things for privacy and just insulation. We usually keep those up all the time. This is our closet area, so honk your head. So this is Trey's, keeps all his clothes in there. I keep all my clothes in here, socks, underwear, all that. This is our pantry, so we keep all of our food in there. And then this stores all of our pants, sweatshirts, sweatpants, sweaters, stuff like that. Under here's where I keep my shoes. I can get to them from the inside, which is nice. Yeah, I mean, we have these little curtains. We have our ukulele up here, some more plants. I don't know, that's pretty much it. I mean, we have a bunch of storage under the bed, store all of our skateboards, camping gear. What else is back there? Like our stove. We have a portable stove that we cook on. I don't know what else is under there. Shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. We definitely wanted to focus on storage in the van. It's definitely tight. There's not a lot of room here, but we definitely maximized our storage, and I'm like thankful for that since we're living in it full time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's our house tour.